Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen, As-salatu was-salamu ala khatimin nabiyyin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in, amma ba'd. فأعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم قال الله تعالى في سورة الأنعام وإذا جاءك الذين يؤمنون بآياتنا فقل سلام عليكم كتب ربكم على نفسه الرحمة من عمل منكم سوءا بجهالة ثم تاب من بعده وأصلح فأنه غفور رحيم. Translation: And when those who believe in our revealed verses come to you, say, Salam, peace be upon you. Your Rabb has prescribed mercy upon himself, so that if any one of you commit an evil or sin out of ignorance and then repent afterward and reform his ways to do the right, then surely you will find him ever forgiving, most merciful. Hazrat Abu Sa'id Khadri radiallahu ta'ala anhu narrated that once I was sitting with the poor Muhajirin and they did not have wealth and their condition was such they did not even have enough clothes to cover their satr, and they used to sit in a way so that they can cover each other with their selves, so that one should not look at the thigh or other part that are the part of satr. One of those muhajirin were reciting Quran and they were in that condition that Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam came and stood nearby, and the person who was reciting the Quran stopped reciting it. Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam offered salam and then asked, what were you doing? They said that we were listening the book of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala with our heart and soul. Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said that all the praises due to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala who made such people in my ummah that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala ordered me to stay with them closely. And then Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam made a gesture, so all those Sahaba radiallahu ta'ala anhum made a circle and Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam sat with them. They all were looking at Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, and Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said that I give you the glad tidings that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will give you in the day of judgment Nur-e-Tam, meaning the complete nur and complete light, and you will get in the Jannah half day before than the wealthy people, and this half day will be of 500 years. This is narrated in the book of Hadith Abu Dawood. And then Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam recited this ayah that we recited today, in which Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has mentioned that, O Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, don't keep these people away from you, and you should appreciate these people and you should pray for their peace, and also tell these people that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has made rahmah on himself compulsory, and he will not let your actions go in waste. And then he recited the last part of the ayah and gave the message that if somebody is doing a sin and then soon after it he realizes and repents to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and corrects himself, he will find Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala Ghafoor and Rahim. So a person doing a sin knowingly that it is sin, but soon after committing that sin, if he repents to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and corrects himself, he will find Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala Ghafoor and Rahim. Let's pray that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala give us true understanding of Quran. Ameen. Wa akhiru da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.